This is Jet now. We're going on some viewings today. It's nice, Riad. This is the land. Guys, I'm in the Medina today. It's a long day. I don't make these kind of vlogs. I'm looking at one of them tourists. But we're going on some viewings today. We're looking at some land and a Riad for sale. The land is for also to build a Riad as well. We're gonna meet Nawal, the agent. It's a different kind of vlogging experience. I like the Medina, you know. Some people don't like it, but I like it. One thing about the Medina is the motorbikes. If you don't look closely, you'll get hit by one. But it's useful as well to get through these tight streets. Very useful. You got all the colour and charm, all the accessories. You got everything for sale here, man. You got some rooftops, you got some riads, some restaurants. Bloody hell. Look at these ceilings, like 3 meters high. Look, you got so many riads here. Look. Look at this nice Riad. Riad is something that we're definitely focusing on this year and the next year. It's a special type of market. It's a very unique market. There's no market like it in the world, in my opinion. You basically got ancient walls. Construction has to be so precise. Everything is very old. It's like the equivalent of saying grade 2 listed buildings where you find in the UK, which is like protected. Interesting. There's a nice little plot here as well. That's a nice little plot. Now guys, you might be thinking, why are we even stopping here and looking at this plot of land? It just looks like rubbish. Well, that's the thing. The gold mines are not often noticeable to the naked eye, but it's the potential of what you can do on this land. It's what makes it very valuable. Just randomly walking and I see this plot. Is there any number here or anything? I'm coming back for them to save this location. So that's what I literally do. If I see something I like, I go on Google Maps. I'll pin the location and then I'll save it in my Google Maps. I'll name it Riad land. Boom. The little quick tip for you guys already. I don't know if I'm going the right way. There's no way this is a road. Look at that. Imagine just one day just all collapses. You're finished. It's another land plot. This is the main square. This is Jet now. As close to this square as possible with your Riad. And it's a major selling point, and you usually find it to be a lot more in price as well because of the locality to the square. All the tourists want to be as close as possible to it. Some don't, but if you are, you've got a big advantage. You got some nice fresh mint. You got the orange juice stands. This is the famous Argana restaurant. So the first plot we're seeing, so the first meet-up point is the land. Meeting the agent, she's going to show us the land for sale. And looking at the location, it looks like it's very, very close to the center. Or it's close to the square. So this is the street. We have to climb up to get here. But anyways, this is the land. 96 you said?
Yes.
96 meters. They already started demolishing. 2 minutes away from the square. Dabdabashi. This is gold. Obviously this needs to be cleared up. And it's titled Wait. It is?
It is.
Ready. Ready. Yeah. Okay. Literally. The title is ready. This is the lounge. Downstairs bathroom. Got a swimming pool here as well.
And here you can have your drop-off next to the door.
So cars go inside here.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And they exit, they cannot go all the way down.
Very good products. Now we're finished, we're getting out of this hectic mess. But I like it, man. It's unique. Look at this. Look at this. You've got donkeys running into you. You've got everything running into you. You've got motorbikes. Everyone's riding. People about to hit each other. Every minute you see someone getting hit. Oh, I wouldn't change it. Marrakech, beautiful, beautiful city.